Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we introduce algebra. So what is algebra? Well, it's basically the study of operations. So in order to study it fully, what we need to do is we need to come up with things we can use in place of numbers, and usually that's letters. So we have letters usually like X and Y. We call them pronumerals. They are things that stand in place of actual numbers. Algebra, we will write things with letters, and those letters stand for unknown numbers. So I said algebra was the study of operations. So of course we're looking at mainly the four operations. So of course the four operations being plus, minus, times, and divide. Sum means plus, difference means minus, product times, and quotient means divide. So where am I going with this? So we will write things called mathematical expressions with one or more of these operations. So I could write the sum of two unknown numbers like this. So x plus y means an unknown number plus another unknown number. Each of these letters means an unknown number. We don't know what it is. We don't need to know what it is. Sometimes I will want to take a sentence, a normal English sentence, and I will want to just write it with mathematical symbols and pronumerals. So if I wanted to write the difference of y, which is an unknown number, and 3, that would just be y minus 3. So we usually use the word subtracted instead of difference. So if I wanted to write the sentence x subtracted from 4, I don't need to write a whole heap of words. I can just take 4 and subtract x. So note that means x is being subtracted from 4. If it was 4 subtracted from x, it'd be x minus 4. So let's say I wanted to write the sentence, the product of 2a, b, and c, only using mathematical symbols. So note, I don't always need to use x and y. I can use whatever letter I want. So product does mean times, but in algebra, we usually don't write the times. So instead of writing 2 times a times b times c, because we write times so often, it gets annoying to write, what we usually do is write the same thing without the times. We just write it as 2abc. So that is understood to mean 2 times a times b times c. If no operation is written between pronumerals or between a number and a pronumeral, we assume it's times. So if I had something like 5x, that would mean 5 times x, or the product of 5 and x. All right, please pause and copy this down if you need.